All right, so I'm going to show you real quick how to schedule a job. So when the phone rings, you can get something down as quickly as possible. You can start this from the accounts, orders, or schedule. In this example, I'm going to start with accounts. So we'll click on the accounts list. Takes me to the account list. In the upper right-hand side, I've got a plus button, so I'll tap on that. First name, we'll do Robert. And then, of course, we can add all we want, but we'll just add Robert for now. And this gives us a nice way to determine whether or not we're going to create any duplicate accounts. So the more information, the better. Here, it just pulled up a handful of potential matches based off that first name. We'll skip it and create new account. Takes me to my new account screen, and here I have an opportunity to do a handful of things like enforce lead source and set contact info and so forth. We'll skip all that, just hit save. And here we are at the newly saved account. You'll see at the bottom there's a blue bar, different options. The first one is actually the job button. You can tell what they are by clicking up the up arrow, and then you'll see a list of icons that are available. I can click on that little job button, and it will take me to the schedule screen. So if I navigate then, let's say, to the 15th of next week, you see I got a couple things on here already. We'll go ahead and add this at 2 o'clock. Takes me to the job record with everything filled out for me. You can see that Robert is indeed the account in question. I've got an estimate. I can also make a work order depending on what I want to do here. But if I just tap save, that's it. I'm done. So he's on the schedule, the order was created, I've got my job, and it is scheduled appropriately. Just that simple.